I'm Deborah Dahab, your expat coach and intercultural psychologist. I help people prepare for a move abroad and also those who have moved and need tips or help adjusting to a new country. So today I'm going to share with you 3 tips to help you manage the overwhelm of a move abroad. We can feel this overwhelm before the move, during the move, after you move. It's pretty much, I would say, unavoidable because it comes with the territory of a major change and life decision change. However, there are ways to reduce this level of overwhelm and manage it in a productive and positive way. This is what I'm going to share with you today in this video. So let's first establish why overwhelm is not the best thing for you, besides the obvious of it doesn't feel good. When we are overwhelmed, we are anxious, it really diminishes our cognitive abilities. So we can't think straight. So even if we have all the resources, we have all the information, we just can't wrap our heads around making decisions. When we do make decisions, many times we second guess ourselves. We realize that that's not what we wanted, and that can affect relationships with ourselves and with others, both who are moving with us and who are not moving with us. So that said, it's pretty much obvious that the overwhelm is something that we want to manage and leave it to a minimum. A move abroad is typically a very huge investment, emotionally, energetically, financially, you name it, it's huge. So I'm going to share with you now 3 tips to help you manage this and don't let it take over. So tip number 1 is really observe in your body how your body manifests this anxiety and overwhelm before it really gets too strong. So I'm going to give you some ideas. Some people feel it like a pit in the stomach, like a knot in their stomach. Other people feel the urge to go to the bathroom. Other people start sweating. Other people feel cold. Other people feel tense in this area or in their lower back. Some people get headaches. Some people have a dry mouth. You name it, everyone is going to be different, and it can be a combination of these signs that our body is telling us that something is not going to right here. So be very observant of how this manifests for you, and really look into what are the first signs of this in your body. Why? Because when you start observing that, then you can nip it in the bud. When you start to feel whatever you feel that you start to feel this anxiety, you can do things that will reduce it. Take a break, start, breathing exercises, go for a walk, go, get some tea. It doesn't really have to be complicated. It doesn't necessarily mean you're going to go on, do a full blown meditation, but it's something that you know when to stop. The second tip is related to knowing your what for. I'm going to link a video up here where I talk extensively about the what for, what it is. Basically, it's understanding, clarifying, and articulating your objectives with the move. We tend to focus too much on why we want to move and not enough on what we want to move for. So having this what for clear, crystal clear, very established, that and write it down like it's a mission statement. Have it on post-its, on your mirrors, on your phone. If you want to have a symbol of your what for, like an image, that's also amazing. And the third tip that I really want to recommend is to have the Supercharged To-Do List. This is something I will also link here. I have a full video that explains the step-by-step of how to do that. And the Supercharged To-Do List is a tool which is very simple. All you need is pen and paper or, a spreadsheet. And it helps you organize and prioritize all the things that are on a to-do list in a way that really focuses on the benefits and getting things done the best way possible. So that is how you reduce or even eliminate, hopefully, the overwhelm of a move abroad. If you want to take these learnings, these tools to the next level, you are welcome to book an enrollment call for the Master Your Move program. This is a group coaching program for pre-movers, people moving from one country to another, and we have a lot of this content and a lot more of these tools to apply in the program. Remember to like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. All of the relevant links, including the link to book your free enrollment call, are in the description box. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you next time.